Okay, well, I went on my date number 3. My heart skipped a beat. Magician, you!
I don't know how this works, but it works. We will have those ones like, oh my god, it actually just happened.
Yeah. Willkommen zurück. Welcome back to
Bei den Germans.
Yes. Yeah.
By the German Sexbomb
and Superwoman. Yeah. Okay, well, I went on my date number 3.
Ooh. Okay, please tell us all about it, Paulina.
Okay, no, but seriously, I'm actually quite amazed. Yeah. So,
okay.
After the first date, I was like, oh, I don't know, like, I thought I put stuff on paper and it's gonna work right away. As you mentioned, you should do this daily. So, like, I read them the days after again.
Good.
Yeah, I'm a good
student.
I realized that it does something. The dates are, they keep getting better and better. So, like, not that I was doubting your magic,
no,
but
and it's fine if you're doubting it. Whatever, just test it for yourself.
You don't just need someone magical on demand. It's not like in Seamless. You pick the cuisine and the time when he's gonna be delivered. The second date, I kept laughing throughout the whole date, right?
Yeah.
And I don't remember exactly what we talked about, but like it was just really funny. And I didn't expect anything from a third date because the second went already so well. I get there and he looked better than in his pictures. Like that's kind of like
what?
That's unseen and unheard of. Yeah, and he gave me a hug. And okay, I'm trying not to overanalyze people's hugs. No, I didn't feel like, oh my god, I'm at home. You're it. But he gave me a hug, and I was like really, like it felt really nice. And he's like, oh, you look great. My heart skipped a beat. I don't hear that much. But I go
See, you're meeting the wrong guy.
I really got to a date and someone started a date with like, oh, you look great. And I always put an effort into like how I look when I go on those dates, etc. And the funny thing is actually, for that date, I didn't even think about what I'm gonna wear, whatever. I ran from our session directly into it with the red lips. Wow. I even apologized for the red lips and I'm like, Paulina, what are you doing? What is wrong with you? So yeah, that was like right away that kind of set off the date real nice. No, I wasn't like laughing 3 hours straight. And no, he didn't walk me to my home. So we really hit it off intellectually. So I've never had that I could talk with my dates so much about professional things, but it was great because my profession is my passion. It felt like, oh wow, I haven't had, oh, damn it.
What?
I haven't had like such a good connection with anyone in a while, and then I just magician you. Like one of our sessions was with like I really want a deep connection with someone. These things I realized don't work chronologically. You don't have a timeline or time frame for this. It's like with the gym. Sometimes you don't see the muscles popping up right away the next day, and sometimes also not in the places you expect them to. All you do is focus on push-ups and you realize, oh, your butt is starting to look good too. Like you don't know where those muscles show first.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not sure if that metaphor worked. I think the best thing is just not to expect anything and just do them, and you'll see miracles popping up. And he's like, hey, so would you like to get something to eat? And I was like so overwhelmed. I'm like, oh my god, this is really going well. Like, what is happening? I was actually physically exhausted. You know, I realized like, oh, maybe I should be polite and say like, yes, let's eat. And then so I don't want to end the date on a bad note or whatever. I realized, no, you told me like no politeness or whatever. Just be respectful and communicate your wants and needs. And I realized me being super tired and just falling asleep has nothing to do with me not having a good time with him. I'll be frank with you, and I could see how he got scared. Face like dropped a little bit. He's like, yes. But I had a really great time with you, and I would love to like go out again. And he's like, oh, that's great. Let's do that. I'd love that. And then he walked me to the subway, and he kissed me goodbye, and it was a really nice kiss. A little bit more. Pure, I guess, than the second date. Right now, I'm not thinking about the future. I'm being in the moment. Is it morally correct to go on second dates with two people? Really would love to go on a second date with both of them just to figure out.
Good, great. Wow, that's amazing. That are amazing news. I don't know what to say than just like congratulating you. Yes, those methods really work, and it doesn't have to be all of them. You can just pick one. The one which I always relate to and which I have been doing since I was 17 was this exercise with the affirmations and with the why. And
really, since you were 17?
Yeah. Well, I did it for exams in school. That was when I started.
Are you serious?
For an essay.
Did it help?
Actually, in German class. Yes. It was even so good that my teacher asked me if I wrote that essay.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You used it to cheat in school. Well, you didn't cheat because you still did the work yourself.
Of course.
I love her face. She's like,
of course I did it, but I was so desperate, and then my mom came up, like my crazy mom, right? Said
the
like,
homeopath.
okay, yes, that homeopath and healer. She said like, okay, try this method. I was, no, mama, please leave me alone. No, that doesn't work. That's all bullshit. Okay, I don't have any other option. What she also told me was having fun. Having fun with things. So I actually wrote down affirmations. I'm having fun writing this essay. Then when I started writing it, I had so much fun. It was like, what the hell just happened? Like, I hate writing essays. I don't like it. That's why I pushed it so far. This thing with the why, I don't know how this works, but it works. It just needs a little bit of time, and you will have those moments like, oh my god, it actually just happened.
Yeah, and I guess sometimes you realize it later on, right?
Exactly.
Like I just realized when I said like, oh, and I felt it, like such a connection with him like you haven't in a while. And I'm like, oh my god, we spoke just about that.
Yes.
You'll do a speech at my wedding, right? I don't know to which of the guys, and it's gonna be one of those two.
I think I can say, test it out for you guys. Too many people stay away from those things because other people judge it that it's bullshit or that it's not working.
Yeah,
but
just try it out. I mean, look.
So many people right now are doing those kind of things and are interested, and our world is changing. There are more spiritual people now, there are more conscious people figuring out how to live a better life, like a happier life. So why not testing it like when there is a chance to do it?